We're coming live to you from the Dr. Phillips New Year's Food Truck Festival presented by G World Properties. The people are getting here. We're expecting over 3,000 people today running through our offices. In our parking lot here, we have 18 food trucks, vendors, live music, a full bar, and it's going to be an amazing event. So again, New Year's Dr. Phillips Food Truck Festival presented by G World Properties, and nobody markets like G World Properties. We're coming live to you here from the G World Properties Dr. Phillips Food Truck event. Over 2,500 people have showed up today. It's been a great event. Lots of food, lots of drinks, lots of entertainment. And I want to introduce to you guys one of our main sponsors too, New World Title of Central Florida, Josh Santos.
Very excited to be here, guys, on this beautiful Sunday, being one of the main sponsors. Just letting you guys know we're new to Orlando and we're here to help you guys out with all your needs. Anything you guys need, please contact me directly.
Absolutely, we're here at G World Properties in the heart of Dr. Phillips and New World Title. It's open for business right here in 7682 Dr. Phillips Boulevard. And always remember, nobody markets like G World Properties.